Okay guys, today is Jamaica's independence and I'm in the Montego Bay airport, and I just thought I'd join you in celebrating Jamaica's 57th year of independence. Just follow me. I'll take you around the Montego Bay airport and you will see flags flying high above and soaring high. This is the Montego Bay airport. I thought it was a very nice look for a very special day, and I thought, hey, let me share it with you, and I'll share independence with you here, right here in the city of Montego Bay, what it looks like. All right. Let's see, here we go. It's Leo Gilling in Sangster International Airport. Just wanted to show you the flag flown high today. All the Jamaican flags looking great here in Mobe. Happy Independence to everybody, and you have a wonderful day. I have just a couple more yards to go to show you exactly the entire scope of the Montego Bay airport on Independence. Pretty light in traffic, but beautiful as we roll. Here we go. We're at the departure lounge in Montego Bay. I'm taking you all the way around. I hope you're having a wonderful independence. In Florida, we celebrate emancipendence. Here we go, people walking across the street to head back home to where they belong, or from where they come. There we go. There's a little girl in the middle of the street, and I think you have the full circle. Here we go, Sangster International Airport. Guys, you have a wonderful day. Happy 57th day of independence. Bye-bye.